Morning, Chris Canor from Challenger Exploration. And this morning we've announced the first in a series of surface and underground rock saw channel samples we've been collecting at our Guayabo project in Ecuador. Bit of context, in June we announced a 4.5 million ounce maiden resource, a big copper gold porphyry system. That resource has a high grade core of 1 million ounces at 1.2 grams gold, and included in that is 650,000 ounces at 1.5 grams gold. That's in two discrete zones we call the copper breccia and the gold breccia. Now, as is generally the way in Ecuador, the mineralization outcrops as a big steep hill. The top sort of 250, 300 meters of, particularly the copper breccia, which is the large component of that high-grade core, forms a very steep hill, and we just simply cannot get a rig up there unless we use man-portable rigs. So we haven't been able to drill the top 300 meters of that resource. And to give you some context, something that's 200 meters wide, 250 meters along strike, 150, 200 meters deep, at a specific gravity of over 2.5, you're talking 15 to 20 million tons. So potentially very significant to that high-grade core. So what we've done is we've cut a series of surface rock saw channel samples. Effectively, you cut them with rock saws, same width as a drill core, treat them in the same way you treat a drill core, and you can get them into resource. The first results, really lovely set of results. So we've got 15.7 meters at 1.8. That's from up dip of the very middle of the high-grade core. That's the only 15 meters that outcropped, and copper's probably mobilized at surface, so it actually would have been a higher grade than that if it's fresh. 22 meters at 9, 45.8 meters at 1.4, including 17.6 meters at 2.6. Those two surface samples extend that high grade core of the copper breccia another 200 and 300 meters up dip, and the 17.6 at 2.6 actually extends it another 100 meters sort of north, so makes it 100 meters thicker than it was. We've also got 22 meters at 2.7, 13.4 meters at 5.4. Again, they're extending that copper breccia almost all the way to surface. And then, the final result, 174 meters at 1.2. That's actually a sample we did in an old underground tunnel. That tunnel is about 300 meters east of all drilling. So that actually extends the mineralization another 300 meters. So look, really nice set of results. What do they mean? They mean we can probably get that top 200 meters of that resource, of that mineralization into resource, particularly into the high-grade core, and it's the high-grade core that will drive Ecuador. So very encouraging result. We'll get the balance of these samples back, and then we'll update that resource and also include the last 5 drill holes. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.